Alright, we're up here in Daytona this morning, doing a little wash on this Burger King. Got some green on the building, cobwebs and stuff. It's not too bad. Can't wash any of these sidewalks, they're all seal coated. Get this little pad cleaned up and nice for them. Just doing our walk around the old king of the burgers. No windows. Curb. Guess we'll do the curb in the drive-through lane. Got some more green there. Dirt, a couple bugs. Clean that curb up nice for them. The water spigot there. Green, mow. Got one more algae back there. Not too bad. I think we're gonna downstream the whole thing. We'll do this outside wall of the dumpster pad. We're not doing the dumpster pad today. Got my buddy on his way up here, so we can bust this out quick. We got this door and we got one Port Orange we're gonna go knock out. Alright, should be good and quick. Alrighty, finished up with the drive-through side of the building. Got my partner on the other side. He's about wrapped up on the front. He had a little concrete pad he had to do as well. Just going through, everything's drying. This cleaned up real nice. Hit it hot, went 3% on it. I threw a little baby post treat on it at the end. So that's coming up nice. Those black marks are all from tires and stuff. That's not gonna come off. It's not organic. But mainly got their pain point. All the green on the building. Give the windows a good rinse. Do what we could to keep the bleach off them. That's all paint damage. Yep, everything came up nice. You're gonna get bugs back in your lights in no time. This pad came up real clean. Looks good. No lines. Was a big green spot there. Big green spots here. Everything came up real good. On to the next one.